Try it again. Sweet. All right, y'all, we are at HobbyTown in Buford, Georgia. They want to drive my my Kraton, and so I have the 16-tooth pinion gear. I came up here to get the 18-tooth pinion gear, so I'm gonna let them drive. They haven't driven before. They got like what, a couple more in the store still?
We have 4.
They got 4 more left. They had several, now they got 4 more left. So they do have some up here if you guys want to see. You can see this guy, see that guy, or see that guy over there. But he's gonna drive this for the first time with the 16-tooth pinion gear in it. He's not gonna drive it that long because he can get on it a little bit. You can take it over the bump. I know you want to. They usually take it over this little bump up here. Man, get on it. There you go. Hit the throttle. Good. He's up there. Yo, it's got power. It's got speed. So it's definitely going to have some get up and go. I probably need to adjust it and lower it down and then soften the suspension up some. Because of that, I think Hunter's going to try it too in a minute. And I think Brad was going to try it as well. She would stop right there, wouldn't she?
We're as competitive with my Kraton with the 8S system in it. So I have an 8S Kraton 6S, and it's comparable to that.
Oh, it is? Yeah. Okay. So he says comparable to his 8S, and this is still stock out the box, guys. I mean, I need to make some adjustments to it. Soften the suspension up so the turning's a little bit sharper, but it's definitely what I'm going to do. One more run down, then we're going to see if Hunter wants to run it or not. I'm trying to see if he's going to get on. I know he's scared to flip, but I already flipped it, man, so it's all good now. Yeah, it's got power. So I'm definitely going to have to lower it down some for this speed test I'm going to be doing tomorrow for Super Speed Saturday. All right, we're going to see if Hunter wants to drive it too before the battery gets dumped too low. I don't know, so your thoughts on it? This is not a, hey, give it good props or something.
This is a great car.
Okay.
Ultra car. Yeah. It's very competitive, especially, so I have the version 1 EXB Kraton, and I put an 8S system in it, and they're very comparable. They're almost about the same. Okay.
The biggest thing is going to be the heat if we run it out and see if it overheats, but all right, so let's see if Hunter wants to drive, and then we'll go from there. Here's the star. I'm not going to get mad, but just don't hit my truck down there. I don't care who else's car you hitting on. We got the madman driving. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments though. I think I'll lower down some to soften the suspension up. They probably can't do a standing backflip, can it?
Find out.
Let's try. Oh, it did it! Try it again. Sweet! Standing backflips all day. And that's with the speed gear, y'all, so. He's doing it. I know. All right, one more pass. We gotta get this battery on charge so I can go do this test. One more backflip. All right, y'all, we're going to charge this battery up, and I'm going to get this ready for tomorrow for Super Speed Saturday. I don't know your thoughts on it. You say it sucks, it's good, what?
It's better than the first one.
It's better than the first one? There you go. He says comparable to his 8S Kraton he's got. So big thing is going to just be the heat because he's got a bigger or smaller KB motor up in there. But anyway, y'all, tune in Saturday. We're going to get this thing out. We're going to run up Super Speed Saturday to see what kind of speeds we get. I think I need to lower it down some, soften the suspension. So we're going to do that while this battery charges up, because then I'll let you guys know what I do to lower this down and get this thing up to the speed. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.